Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review, and today I will also be doing a giveaway. Okay, I'm just going to show a few things in my little giveaway bag. Alright, got a little mask, real quick, little razors, wig caps, eyelashes, okay, little face roller. Alright, okay, I'm not going to show every single thing that's in the bag, even some perfume, but yeah, just to let y'all know, one person, one lucky winner will receive a random gift shipped to them. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video in order to enter. When you have done all those things, just drop me in the comment section below. Let me know that you have completed all those things and you will definitely be entered. Okay, now to this wig review. Okay, the name of this wig is called Cordelia. Alright, okay, the color that I got is a TT1B burgundy. Okay, it has a 4.5 inch deep lace part. Alright. Okay, it's lace ear to ear. It has the HD transparent lace. Alright. Has a seamless blending. Okay, with baby hair. I'm bringing y'all that new. This is new. A fresh new one, honey. Okay, I'm going ahead and unpackage it. Package it. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm unpacking this thing, okay? Alright, and if you're curious about this gorgeous wig I have on my head, I will also have a link in this video so you can go check it out. Okay. Here is the wig. Alright. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the back. Alright. Here is, okay, I'll get it right, the 4.5 inch part. Alright. And it's dark rooted all the way through. And that is a plus. I like when it's all the way through. Okay. These curls, right off the bat, they're too tight. I would not go anywhere with that looking like that. So I know I'm going to have to definitely finger comb it. Because on the stock card, you can see that's exactly what they did. So I'm going to definitely do that. I'm going to go ahead and pop this on my head, okay? Not trimming any lace, just showing you all how this unit looks. I'll be right back. Okay, I have the wig on. And like I said, I'm going to have to finger comb this. I don't know, some people might like it like that, but honey, okay, and this got like a longer piece. I don't know if that's supposed to be bangs or what, but that probably need to be trimmed down quite a bit. I don't know about this bang situation. You think I'm going to step out? Look what I see. Looking like this. Okay, it needs a little work. I think she has potential. So I'm going to finger comb it and see what I can do with this. Okay. It tangles really, really bad. Right off the bat, okay, it is tangling and shedding. You know, it takes a really, really bad one for me to find cons in it. And usually I don't find cons. I usually pick some really nice ones right off the bat. But this one, you're going to have to put in some work with it. It's just not, you're going to pop it on and go. You're not going anywhere, okay, with it looking like this. Okay. She's not a pop and go. I am trying to get this. And, okay, I done finger combed this side out the best way I could. Y'all, I ain't used to doing no work when it comes to wigs, but this one, you gotta do a little work with her. Okay? It's beginning to look better on this one side. Now, I'm going to have to do something about this one. And y'all know what I gotta do. I gotta finger comb it. Okay. Finger combing it. This one is making me work too much. Seriously? Okay. I'm not gonna judge too quick, but right off the bat, for these tangling and all this work that you gotta put in, I am not recommending it right off the bat. I don't. It's tangling too much. It's shedding too much. Okay? I am having a fight on my hands over here. But honey, she might come through on us. It's a beautiful unit. It really is. But you got to definitely put in work. Alright? My arms are getting a workout that they need for today. Because I ain't exercised yet and I know I got to do that. Alright. Okay. I am trying I need to clean that mirror. Fingerprints all on it. Okay, the children been playing. I blame it on them. They've been playing with my mirror. Look at all that. The front is not like that. Okay. Okay. Don't y'all be judging me. Do not. This wig is very long. Oh, she long. She long, honey. Okay. All right. It is very, very beautiful. She is a look. Let me put it like that. She is a look, look, look. Okay. You want this for some like birthday hair? I think she is gorgeous for birthday hair, but I don't know how long, you know, she's going to last throughout the day when you have her on, because it's just shedding really bad right out the pack, you know. It's tangling really bad right out the pack. So I'm letting y'all know the real. Okay, I'm letting you know the real on her. And usually I don't have any issues. That's why I don't say anything, because I'm really loving the wig. I'm loving the wig. But this one is gorgeous. Once you finger comb it, just know you got to put in work. And it's not going to last too long, don't seem like. But you can always flat iron it out. I'm going to say the positive things, because I'm not that negative type of individual. But I'm definitely want to give y'all an honest review. You know, I paid for this with my own money, and even if I didn't pay for it, if it was sent to me free, I'm going to give an honest review. If it's nice, it's nice. If it's not, it's not. Okay, I'm just rambling along for a very long time. But here's the unit. Let's shift her. That, you know, once I shift it, I already know I will like it a lot better. Okay. This is very, very gorgeous. Like I said, she is a look. You got to put in work. So don't act like I ain't told you. You go get this wig and be like, oh my. Oh my. Princess Beauty ain't told me all this. Yes, I did. I told you. Okay. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me put her back to the original, because you know what? That's how she came with the center part. And I ain't even did a 360. I am under pressure over here with this. Here's the side. The back. Oh yeah, my backdrop. I'll fix that later. It done came down. Y'all know I change up the backdrops like no tomorrow. But I will fix it. That's okay. So I did a 360 for y'all. So you know my thoughts on this unit. I do not recommend it because of all the tangling, and it has quite a bit of shedding, and also because you have to put forth a whole lot of work with the finger. Well, it's not too bad. You do have the finger comb. It's not like it, but I mean, I don't think it's worth the coins. But go get her if you want to get her. You've been warned. Probably I just got a bad one, I don't know. But that wraps it up for this review. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'm steady pulling out hair. Y'all didn't believe me. Nobody is playing with y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I have to change my I have to change my voice on y'all. Look at all that hair. Probably y'all listen to me if I change it. Do you see all this hair? Alright. It's like falling out like no tomato. It's too much hair. It's shedding too much. Okay, y'all know? Oh, y'all, I'm acting silly. I got a personality on me, okay? I'm just letting it shine through. I'm letting it shine through. I try to contain it. I try to contain it. But I'm letting her loose. Look what I said. Alright. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Please drop a comment, okay? I didn't mean, I'm not trying to do that. Give me a big thumbs up, okay? Drop me a comment, like, share, comment. I said comment already. Subscribe, all that stuff, okay, please. And also be sure to let me know in the comment section you're entering for the free giveaway. The giveaway. Don't forget about the giveaway. So let's do all those things. Like, comment, share, subscribe. 4 things. Okay? You don't take much time to do it. Bam. Smash that button. Less than a second. And it's absolutely free. Alright. Well, that wraps it up for this review. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.